The red button is the on-off switch. So we'll switch it on. The display is your temperature that's set in degrees Celsius, and it's just flicked through to the current temperature. The time underneath that is 150 seconds. So I'll show you how to change both those things. So here is your temperature button. You'll need to press quite firmly. It'll start flashing. Use your arrows on either side to adjust your temperature. To adjust your time, press on the clock, start flashing. You can increase or decrease your time. I'm going to pop the mug in, centre it, clamp it down with one hand, and you'll notice that the timer starts automatically. Okay, there's the timer. I'm going to pop the camera down and I'm going to remove the mug. So the mug has now been removed from the press. We have the transfer paper, which I will just pop just there. Then we also have the coffee mug. So that was 185 degrees for 150 seconds. Hope you enjoy working with your new touchscreen mug press, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Available at ceramicraft.com.au.